Birds are an important element of the forest ecosystem, playing an important role in its functioning. Their singing fills the surroundings, and the multiplicity of colors and shades of feathers arouses our admiration, and the closer look we take at them, the more admiration we feel. Birds are allies of foresters and forest protection. They contribute to reducing the population of insects, which in a large number pose a huge threat to trees. Birds catch the most insects in the breeding season. Then, adults, besides satisfying their own needs, feed the chicks that need high-protein food for rapid growth.